Hello guys, this is Vlad from Ukraine. I want to share with you a little life hack that I came up with. For those of you who fly in your drones, you probably know that damaged or partly damaged propellers are not good to be reused, especially at high altitudes. If you have cracks in this part of the propeller, it must be replaced before you fly your drone really high. My coming up with is, look at here, this is a broken propeller. Right in here, I'm going to make a crack right now by bending it. So I bend up all the way until there's a crack is appearing. You can see the color, changing color a little bit in this place. And I will make another crack on the bottom part of the propeller. Now we have perfectly seen cracks. So what I'm gonna do now, so this is considered to be a damaged propeller. I'm gonna take my heat gun and I run it at 180 degrees. And I'm starting preheating the spot, and the crack has disappeared. The second crack has disappeared. I'm gonna run it for a little bit longer to heat the body. So you've got to be careful about the temperature. I have chosen 180, but probably I should have gone for 160 centigrades. But anyway, right now we don't have any cracks. It is as a new, but if I bend it again, I will get this crack again. Now I'm bending it. I'm applying some force to it, and you can see there is no crack, no crack, no crack, no crack. And only now a new crack has started. And I'm bending it pretty hard, if you can see the angle. So we have a new perfect crack. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna melt it again. I'm gonna repair it again with my heat gun. This time I will set 170. And look what I'm doing. You can see the crack. I heat this place, this spot, and the crack disappears again. You can clearly see that the crack is gone. Make sure you heat the whole body completely so that the heat would penetrate inside the propeller, so that the body, the solid body, would be melted on inside, not only on the surface of the propeller. The temperature 170 centigrades provides nearly no deformation to the propeller. Now I'm pretty much sure I could have been flying this propeller again. I mean, if it was okay, if the second blade was still here, I would be able to be flying that propeller, because there is no more crack, and it's pretty rigid. It's already got some strength. Be sure to be using this life hack to restore your half-damaged propellers. And sometimes in the process of heating up the blade, a crack would come out. Here is a crack that came out. That's happened during the process of heating up this blade, and that's, you know what it means, guys? It means great. It means that you have been able to discover a hidden crack inside of your propeller blade right before you flew your drone. It means that you saved your drone from potential crashing. I mean, if you would not notice that little crack on inside of the propeller and you flew your drone, this blade would fall off and you would crack your drone. I really like this method, because not only it makes it possible to extend your blade life, but it also saves your drone from potentially crashing it.